Buongiorno, ching ching from our home in Sicily. Boy, do Sicilians love their festivals, not just religious, also foods and yes, flowers.
Spring has sprung, Esther. The cherries are out, the strawberries are out, everything is coming up. Yesterday we had broccoli rabi, right?
The Nestle's, all the fruits. All right,
oh my goodness.
We've got a full show for you. We're going to go to Acireale and the Flower Festival. Floats made out of fresh flower petals, say that 10 times. And then we're going to meet my new friends at the Radio Espresso. These two guys are so much fun. We're going to walk around together with them and try a granita. And then Alfred is going to try an arancini. And then our friend Lisa, who wrote this children's book, and her son visited. We're going to say hello to them and so much more.
And don't forget our friend Danielle from Wines of Italy. What's that thing called?
Ciao, Daniel.
Ciao, Daniel. Hi, Daniel. We haven't seen you for a while. We love you. Best wines ever.
Let's go.
Quando si muove sta maschera è bellissima.
Sì.
Questa qua.
After the war emerges. Here I am with Salvo.
Oh.
These beautiful due beddi. E come si dice due beddi?
Two beddi.
Two beddi. And here we are in Acireale. We're going to walk around town because it's the flower festival right now.
Yeah.
E come si dice?
Festa dei fiori.
Festa dei
Flowers party.
Party,
Flowers
okay.
party.
Let's
Where's
go.
the
Look at these vintage cars. Oh, there's my car right here. This is 600. And there's my car.
This is my first car when I was younger.
Wow, younger.
Diane. Oh, Diana. Diane.
Questo è degli anni 50.
1950s. Look at that. Wow.
Ora è bloccato.
Molto bello.
Mettete dei fiori nei vostri cannoni. Mettete dei fiori nei vostri cannoni.
Bellissimo. Guarda quanta gente, so many people. There's the cathedrale.
Yes.
All right, now let's go get some granita. All right, let's see. We've got granita of almond araba, Arab almond.
Mandorla araba.
Cioccolata, pistacchio. Che abbiamo caffè e mandorla?
Yeah.
Caffè.
Mandorla araba.
Araba, e perché araba?
Burka.
It has a mustache.
Burka.
A burka.
Un bicchiere d'acqua? Ma che pane è quello?
Quello è sempre il pane che facciamo noi, viene accompagnato dalla granita.
E questo pure?
No.
This is a brioche that I would have. Oh my gosh, with the sesame seeds make everything better. No, grazie. Here we go. Now that's a winner right there. Siamo pronti? Attenzione. Sinistra. Qua. All right, look at my t-shirt that they gave me with the brioche. And you saw the brioche because it has a cool little way. It's not your traditional brioche. Boy, they have some really good flavors in there. Sempre prende lo stesso granita.
Granita.
Sì, noi siamo un po' abitudinari in effetti.
Mandorla macchiata.
Macchiato inside and then
Espresso forte.
Long and strong.
My program in the morning, Radio Espresso, name
it's
Espresso.
7 a.m. He has a radio program
Yes.
and they talk about
The morning
everything.
show, yeah.
And brioche col tuppo. Tuppo. This is tuppo.
Okay, fai vedere come mangia. Okay, I'm going to show you how do you eat a granita in Sicily. Okay, So you take
Yeah.
the brioche, tear it apart,
Ecco.
and dip it, and then... Ecco, sì. E gli altri... è come
è
altri.
uguale. Tuppo is
Take the top
take
off.
the topo, and the topo finish here.
Let me see.
Swimming in the swimming in the mandorla, liquid mandorla.
Oh.
Swimming.
And soak it right up, and then whoop.
Yeah, and eat.
These two, I'm telling you right now, they're marketing machines. And every time they do a video, they start it out with Amici!
Un salutone dal San Domenico.
In Acireale.
Esatto.
Wonderful place.
Baci in America.
E Canada.
Kisses.
E Canada.
E Canada,
Australia.
Canada,
Sì.
Australia. Ciao
Anche.
Australia, ciao
Australia,
Sydney.
Canada.
Ciao Melbourne.
Stati Uniti d'America.
Yeah. Ciao
Bye
amici.
bye, amici.
Salvatore is the baker. 24 years he's been here. E perché sta facendo questo lavoro?
Passione.
Passion. Cosa favorite fare?
Diciamo che mio papà era pasticcere, quindi da piccolo l'ho aiutato, fino a che poi mi sono innamorato e l'ho preso
He was a
come...
young kid. His father was a pastry shop owner and he fell in love. E che cosa tu hai preferito cosa fare?
Frutta martorana.
Ah, sì, dov'è? Frutta martolana è come marzipan. Buono. Grazie. And here we are at the San Domenico in Acireale.
L'orazione praticamente viene fatta con arte, con passione.
È tutto all'impronta, subito. Magari gli arancini, i cannoli
fatto-
vengono fatti così velocemente, espressi. Amici!
Amici!
Una cosa importantissima, promuovere la nostra Sicilia, Sicily, nel mondo, in the world.
Bravo.
Promuovere la nostra sicilianità, le nostre tradizioni, la nostra isola che è bellissima e vi innamorerete. E chi lo fa per bene lo fa you, me and Sicily! Amici!
Non sapevate cosa vi aspettava?
Cosa c'è?
Ve lo dico io cosa vi aspetta.
Cosa ci aspetta?
Cosa? Vai, fatelo.
Lots of handmade products here. What's that?
Where's the pala fico d'India spalla?
Prickly pears.
This is fico d'India.
Prickly pears. All handmade.
Uncinetto.
There's... Hello. Buongiorno. Oh, there's Mount Etna. That's a beautiful Trinacria.
Con l'apostrofo là.
Street art. Here we are on a Sunday, and it's beautiful, so you bet people are coming out. I'm back with my friends Salvo and Claudio in Etna. E come chiama questo canale?
Radio Etna Espresso.
Da
Come
qua?
caffè.
Come caffè.
Come train express.
E che è l'obiettivo?
Obiettivo?
Obiettivo.
Intrattenimento.
Talk.
Talk radio.
Espresso talk.
È divertente per le persone.
Yes, fun.
To have fun.
Easy
talk.
Easy talk.
Easy talk. E grazie mille per questa opportunità. Thank you for this opportunity. E da quanti anni sta facendo questa? 50. It is
40, io 40. Io
40 years.
Io young, un po' little young.
He's a little older.
Un salutone a you, me and Sicily.
Alfredo, hi Alfredo.
Hi.
Alfred, you got to come on the show one time. I told him all
My
about
friends, Alfredo.
from Tre Castagni. I told them your Gaetano and Torisi came from here, so you have to come.
3 chinnets. 3 castagne.
Chestnuts.
Chestnut.
Ma non è castagni,
No.
è tre castagnello.
Castagnello. Yeah.
Sì,
Beautiful castagnello.
grazie per questa
Bye
opportunità.
bye.
I want to say thank you again to the guys at the radio station, Salvo and Claudio, for having me on. Boy, we make a good little trio over there, but they're dying to meet you, Alfred. And I told them, oh, he said he doesn't want to go on the radio show because he doesn't speak Italian. I said, no, they want you to come because you speak Sicilian. So you got to come on the radio show.
We'll give it my best shot, but I'm really feel tentative about this. I really do. We'll see.
Anyway, talking about festivals, this weekend, today, if you're watching on Sunday, is the Festival of San Alfio over there in Tre Castagni. We're also going to have highlights from the Noto Festival.
I've been there, I think, 20 straight years. Both. I haven't, very funny, Esther, I haven't gone to the one in Lawrence for a long time, but the one here I go to, especially on the Sunday. The fireworks drive me crazy. They are the loudest, biggest, enormous fireworks
Really
on
well
the
put
night.
together.
There's so much that you could feel the noise hitting your face. I like the religious component a lot. I go to the church. I light candles for all my friends who I promised I would light candles to. It means a lot to me because my family has been connected to that feed for over 100 years, if you can believe
Crazy.
that.
All right, so there's religious festivals, food festivals, there's wine festival, and all type of festivals, but there's also an Arancini festival, which we took you a few years ago. But speaking of Arancini, take a look at this review that Alfred did of an Arancini. Having our Arancini, and there's no one better to give a full taste test than Alfred Zappala.
Yeah. I've probably eaten a few tons of these in my life, Esther, and to be honest with you, you have to look on the outside, number one. Make sure it's not dark like this. If it's dark like this, that means the oil should have been changed. It should be a little bit lighter than this color right here. That's number one. Then number two, when you cut it open, make sure you have the proper ingredients in here. For example, there should be peas. Always there should be peas and a good bunch of
Well, wait a second.
Right.
Not everyone puts peas in the ragu. And by the way, this is a ragu, which
Right.
is a meat sauce. You definitely want to see a lot of meat, right?
Right. I mean, this one over here was made in preparation to a lunch business at a very busy place, and that's not really a good time to get an arancino. So all of a sudden here.
Well, isn't that what most people get in arancinos for
but-
lunch?
Yes, but if they're so busy, they're just plowing them out. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this one over here is plowed out, and the oil should have been changed a couple of days ago.
So now let me
Overall,
ask you this.
I would give this a 6.8 out of 10.
Now, is there an egg in there? Because some of them have an egg.
No.
There's no egg and no peas.
And the ragu is a little bit tight, as you can see. But it's look, I'll put it to you this way, E. It's a lot better than anything in the States, except at a very few places.
Now,
it's
just-
good, but I'm spoiled.
Just from my observation, it doesn't look like they use a lot of saffron. Usually it has to be a little bit, the rice has to be a little bit yellower. Okay, so that's our review of this arancini. What did you say the grade was?
6.7 out of 10.
Wow, okay.
You know, Esther, on this whole arancini business, one half of the country says arancino. That's on the East Coast. On the West Coast, they say arancina. But you want to know something? All the new flavors that are out on these little guys right now. Nero di Sepia one is now getting to be salmon. I mean, I'm a
Let's
traditional
stay with the
guy.
Classico
get a-
ragu and burro classico. Now, if you're interested in the history of arancini, we did a video with our guide juicy a few years ago. I'll leave you a link because it's a very interesting thing. Listen, if you haven't heard yet, Alfred published another book. Very impressive.
It's called The Infinity Protocol. It's available on Amazon. I believe Esther will be nice enough to put a link down below for you. It's getting great reviews. Lots of my friends have been buying the book. It's available both as a paperback and also as a Kindle download.
This book is a little bit different than Alfred's 5 other books that he's written because it's a time travel, it incorporates religion, it's action-packed, and it's just a good read. Now, Alfred's other book, My 75-Year-Old Sicilian Life, is also available, as are the other 4. But what I really liked about the 75-Year-Old Sicilian Life is that he talks about everyday life here in Sicily, some really well-written stories. So congratulations on that, and again, available on Amazon, all 6 of them. Now, let's move on to another author, and this is Lisa and her son. This is such a cute book that she wrote for children, and it's dedicated to her grandfather, who told her sweet stories of Chichita and the beautiful island, and it's illustrated very beautifully. It's basically the adventures of the Ceci beans. Anyway, Lisa and her son came to visit, and I gave them a little bit of a flavor of a Sunday in Sicily. And take a look.
Esther, that was classic. The name of the book, if the book's about a Ceci bean, that's a very flavorful title, right? And they taste great. They're a staple of our diet, I'll tell you that much. We eat them all the time.
Basta, let's go.
Non c'è più, ricca. Questo qua è fatto appena stato.
Sì, sì.
Allora, signora, mettiamo un po' di melone.
Let's see what's in it. We've got sausage and carciofi. You excited? Made right here. Sausage. Molto buono.
Buonissimo.
Buonissimo.
Fai un primo piano qua, un primo piano.
We've got caponata, we got
Caponata,
mushroom.
funghetti, funghi arrostiti ripieni,
Buono.
verdura.
Verdura. Voi siete già famosi. Well, after you ate Roman food for a week,
No comparison.
welcome
No
to
comparison.
Sicily. Welcome to Sicily. All right, let's see this. What prompted you writing this book?
So when I was young, my grandfather would always tell us stories about Ceci, the chickpea, and the chickpea would go on adventures, and we would sit on his lap, and he would tell us all different stories about the little chickpea. And so when I was growing up and I got older, he would say, "You have to write a book about Ceci." And he would call Ceci Cicera in Italian.
It's such a great
Yeah.
book. So what do you think of Sicily?
Oh, I love it.
From
I love it.
Caltanissetta, right?
Yes, yes. San Cataldo.
San
Is the
Cataldo.
town, yes, that he was from.
And this is Michael's first time, and you just came from Rome. What do you think?
Not a fan.
And Sicily?
Way better. Way better. Way more authentic. Less touristy. You get the more Italian, or should I say Sicilian experience.
There you
Yeah.
go. All right, so you saw my new mug, Sicilian Queen. We've got this really high quality bag with Yumi and Sicily, and yeah, that's Alfred and I. And then let's see that one.
You want to know something? I've had this mug now for several years. This is the best high quality
Sure is.
mug I've ever. The last time I got one of these was also good, but I gave it away. So this is my second edition. It's printed on both sides. It keeps my coffee hot, or my tea hot, or my alcohol hot. It's a great mug. Right
We
here.
got lots of merchandise in our shop, and if you click down below, you go to the shop, and there's probably about 40 different items with different designs and so forth. There's a lemon one that people seem to love, a Sicily one, so that is in our shop.
The Figubedu one.
The Figubedu one. Alfred,
Complete with my new Borsellino, I may add.
What are you most looking forward to as we start our May tour?
Making new friends like I always do. Some of the best friends I have now are people who came on our past trips, and I'm hoping that on our future trips.
All
wonderful
those people
we have met, people who love Sicily, who are eager to learn about it. I love first-time travelers, don't you?
I do, but as you said, our people that come into our lives, we are so blessed to have made some great friends, really now part of our Sicilian family here. So we want to say thank you to you guys, and hopefully, oh, by the way, we forgot to say, we have our tours that are still available. The next one that's pretty open is the one in September, and it's a great tour because our base is in Giardini Naxos, then Lipari. Oh my gosh, and if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave you a link to Lipari because it is paradise within paradise. And then we have our regular October tour, October 7 to 17, and then we have the Legends tour, which means that all new spots, places that we actually love to return to, Cefalù and Castelmari will be the base, but then we'll be doing some different trips like Termini Imeresi, Himera, places like that.
You know, as in the fall is
Mazzara del Vallo, how can I forget? That's a new place.
There's a
on
lot
our
more
tours.
places. I want to just say one thing about the fall. The fall here, of course, with the harvest coming in, the food here is extra special. The vegetables are extra scrumptious. The fish, the meat, you name it, the arancino, the pizza. And we also going to a gastronomical festival. It's now, I think it's like one of the biggest ones in Sicily. Up
In October.
In October, Zefferana della Etna, which is always a highlight. People just love that. And don't forget the vino. Oh my goodness. We go to a place.
Vino's always good here.
One of our partners we go to all the time. Not only do we get a tour of the vineyard, but they feed us as well.
And
it's
just homemade good food.
It's really a good time. You know, it's Sicily. And why not come here? Especially if you're curious about Sicily, if you have ancestral roots here in Sicily. Because one of the things that she does, better than anybody, by the way, is take people to their ancestral homes.
I love doing
Usually
that.
what happens is people come a couple of days early or stay a couple of days later, and this one over here tracks it down, takes you there, and it's really, well, I mean, it's hundreds of people have just flipped over that and make me look good because I'm hooked up with her.
Listen, if you love history, if you love the culture, if you love food and wine, and if you love beautiful things, come to Sicily. On that note, ching ching buddy bum bum.
Se benedica a tutti, grazie per tutti, non parlo italiano, mi dispiace molto.
Ciao. Oh wait, look at our view. Look at our view. And there's our laundry. Ciao.